5 a.m. every morning. Nobody gives you anything. You earn it.
She wins every single time. That spot belongs to me. I will have it. I will have it. She earned that spot, so I will simply buy it away from her. Coach Harris, I have a proposal about the selection list, about Maya Johnson.
She is bribing him. She is actually doing this. Remove Maya Johnson from the national selection list. I will make it very worth your time.
I cannot believe they actually expect us to do that. It is just completely unfair, and I am not doing it. No one will ever know we were even there.
Got every word, every single word, all of it.
I will remove her from the list first thing tomorrow morning.
I have everything. Now I find Maya, and we fix this.
2 weeks to the national trials. I am completely ready for this. .58, personal best. I have never run faster.
Maya, my office. Right now, please. You have been removed from the national selection list. The decision is final.
Why, Coach? 3 years, 5 a.m. every morning. Give me one reason why.
Okay, do not cry here. Not here. Just walk. I heard. I am here. Tell me everything that happened.
No reason, Daniel. 3 years, 5 a.m. every single day. And nothing. I recorded everything yesterday.
Jessica, Coach Harris, every word.
If you say nothing, the scholarship is yours. That is my lane. I built every second of that. Nobody can take what I built.
I have a recording. Jessica bribing Coach Harris. Yesterday at 4 p.m.
Coach Harris, if you accept this amount, Jessica will get the starting spot. We have a deal then. Thank you, Daniel. Leave this with me now. Every step will be handled correctly. Coach Harris, my office. Immediately, please.
I'll remove Maya from the team. Just make sure the money is there. I can explain what happened. I took the money. I removed her name. I knew it was wrong when I did it.
It was Jessica.
She paid him to remove you.
I recorded every word. Principal has it.
She paid someone because she could not beat me. She could not beat me. Jessica, go to the principal's office.
Probably the sports day committee. This will take 5 minutes.
Her own voice. Her own words. She cannot deny it. I'll give you $500 if you just change the grade to an A. It was not supposed to May. Someone was not supposed to.
This school stands for one thing only. You earn your place here. Nothing else will ever substitute for that.
Here's the offer. $20,000. He requested it be discreet, and I confirmed. Coach accepted the money this morning. The truth always comes out, Maya. Always. I knew it would.
Suspended immediately. Banned from all competitions permanently. Referred to the athletics board.
I resigned this morning. I failed someone who trusted this school. I am sorry, Maya.
Maya Johnson is reinstated to the national selection team. She earned her place. She never lost it. 2 weeks to the trials. Everything I have. Every morning. Run.
You belong here, Maya. You have always belonged here.
Everything I gave for this. Right now. It is time.
Show them what 5 a.m. every morning looks like, Maya.
This is mine. Every morning. Every hour. Mine. Nobody gave me anything. I earned every second of this.
That is Maya! That is my best friend right there!
Same track, same shoes, same me. This was always mine.
You did it! You actually did it, Maya.
Bribe means paying someone to do something dishonest.
Evidence means proof. My recording was the evidence.
Determined means you will not stop, no matter what happens. Reinstate means giving back what someone earned. She reinstated me.
Comment below. Was Jessica's punishment enough?
Subscribe for more Talk English. Every week, we are here.